Welcome to the Coin Post. The Bitcoin price bounced from the $30,000 level twice. Well, we've had a real panic sale. However, long-term investors remain calm and refuse to sell their Bitcoins. Bears prey primarily on the market newcomers who sell and lose money, seeing how much their crypto portfolio has collapsed. In our video today, I'm answering a number of important questions related to cryptocurrency. Why long-term crypto investors remain calm amid massive price manipulation. Why they were joined by Robert Kiyosaki, as he confirmed in his recent interview. And in conclusion, we're discussing what might go wrong, can the market crash, and is it possible to avoid it? Before we start, check if you're subscribed to the channel, ring the bell please, and let's get started. Who's selling and who's buying Bitcoin today? Wallet statistics, as well as data on blockchain transactions, indicate the shaved hamsters. No offense, but the ones who are selling are those who have entered the market recently at prices of 40,000 or higher. Whereas big wallets, aka whales, on the contrary accumulate their funds. The trend is fascinating. The Bitcoin correction started in mid-April, and the highest dip to date is just over 50%. It means those who entered the market at 60,000 or higher and did so after the price had already dropped below 50,000. When the price broke through 40,000, buyers went in for 50,000. And the lower the price, the more there's people willing to sell Bitcoin at a loss and once and for all forget about their cryptocurrencies, which is indicated by the Fear and Greed Index. Such low figures can be found in both the bear market and during the bull correction. But the question is, where are we right now? They managed to stop the market decline at $30,000 because long-term investors came into the game and used this correction to accumulate cryptocurrency at low prices. They don't panic, and they're unlikely to start capitulating if the bears push the price below 30k. They entered the market a long time ago, buying not only at the bottom of 2018, but also buying cheap Bitcoins back in 2016 and earlier. Yeah, I mean, if you've been into crypto since 2018 and bought at the bottom, you can already consider yourself an old-timer and say you've seen it all.
3, 2, 1, fire!
So what's happening to the cryptocurrency market today? It's important to understand how wrong the panic to do with the ban on cryptocurrency in China is. This may come as a surprise to you, but if China were to suddenly ban mining, Bitcoin would be just fine. Any questions about Chinese regulation of cryptocurrency, as well as energy efficiency, would go away, because it's China that burns the most coal in the world. By the way, miners are usually based near the hydroelectric power plants. But no one wants to go into detail. The same was with the ban on cryptocurrency in China back in 2017, but the Chinese found a way to buy it, although the possession of Bitcoin was allowed by the court. American regulators are scary at first sight, but they are just setting up working groups, and it could take so long before any real decisions are made, that the price could already soar up to $100,000 or more. What we see on the market now is pure speculation. Everyone who wants fast and easy money loses it, and after the market takes everything from them, the price will rise again. That's what Robert Kiyosaki thinks about the current market state. He had previously given the right prediction of $50,000, and the next target, he says, will be $1 million per coin. And it's gonna happen sooner or later because of the Fed. That's why Kiyosaki doesn't keep paper money, but assets like gold or silver. Moreover, he's recently added Bitcoin and ethereum to this list. Having said that, Kiyosaki doesn't buy dogecoin because he doesn't consider it an asset, but just gambling. You can try to make money off of it, but the risks are pretty high, and most people lose money by giving in to their own greed. I know there are many people on the channel who have dogecoin in their portfolio, so you can share in the comments why you think Kiyosaki is wrong. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. It's incredibly difficult to stay optimistic on the volatile market, but your support helps me create new content and tell you all the truth about cryptocurrencies. And that's not it. In conclusion, I want to talk to you about what the market is like now. I don't want to scare anyone with the crypto winter, but I can't promise it hasn't started yet. No one can tell the future, and therefore, I always remind you that this video is not financial advice, and you should make your own decisions about buying or selling. My point is that the latest developments, from Elon Musk to China, cannot be the ones that could bring down the Bitcoin market and put an end to $100,000 expectations. Everything will be resolved this or next week when fears subside, $30,000 support will prove its strength, and the market will make a U-turn and keep the bull long-term trend. If it happens, those who sell today at a loss at $35,000 may return to the market at the price of $70,000. And then the new correction will begin. But it's all theory. In practice, I see two real threats. The first one is the US financial regulators. They are slow and have no reason to ban Bitcoin. Even if they hit another cryptocurrency like they did with XRP, the market will still hold. As long as it's not Bitcoin, anything else can survive. The second one is the sale or collapse of large institutional Bitcoin holders. On the screen you can see a list of such whales, and the first that come to mind are Elon Musk and Tesla. He's an anti-hero now, but that's kinda good, because Musk is expected to do that, so potential bad news could be reflected in the price already. MicroStrategy, the top one public company that purchased most of its cryptocurrency with borrowed funds, is even more frightening. The head of the company, Michael Saylor, is supposedly the most vocal supporter of Bitcoin, but debts must be paid sooner or later, and so the decision to sell is possible. But the weakest point I can think of is the Grayscale Crypto Fund, which has over 654,000 Bitcoins, while the reward fee has long been in the negative zone. Their collapse could really trigger the market crash. Share this video with your friends so that they know the truth about the price of Bitcoin too. And that's all I have. Thanks for watching. It's the Coin Post channel. Subscribe and earn.